Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny Godly. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. You probably clicked on this video because you want to learn how to do your powder foundation in like under 5 minutes. And you're probably over 30 because that's what I put in the title, because that is what I'm focusing on. Now, this powder foundation routine is a very basic everyday routine. I do have an extravagant, beautiful, detailed, honey, beat down version that I'll actually be teaching a class about on Thinkific. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can know when that goes down. It will be in a week or so. But with this one, I really wanted to just show you guys how to get by on an everyday existence. It's pretty full coverage, as you guys can see. It gives you a beautiful finish. There is primer, powder, color correction, bronzer, and everything that is included in a regular foundation routine, plus the powder foundation. I'm gonna let you guys pretty much watch that by yourselves with some words and maybe a little bit of voiceover here and there. I kind of just wanted to come and talk to you quickly about the products because I've been getting questions about this for the past few days because I did some content on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at The Godly Brand. So I did some content on Instagram and you guys were like, oh my God, that foundation looks amazing. Your skin looks amazing. And it was my beat down version. But I said, let me come here and show my folks and tell you guys exactly what I used and what I thought about it. Now, I don't really do wear tests, but the first time around wearing this foundation, I wore it for hours and it wore beautifully. Of course, by now you probably know that I'm talking about the Fenty foundation. This is the Pro Filter Color 440 that I've been using. And I'll even put in some clips from the beat down version, but this is Color 440. And honestly, I'm a big fan of this foundation. I wanted to come and tell you guys because you know, if you followed me for a while, you know that I'm not a huge fan of powder foundation. I'm definitely a liquid or a cream girl, more so liquid, dry down. I love the matte experience. I'm a Lancome girl, you guys know that, but honey, this Fenty foundation is beautiful. The following day, I did this routine, the one that I'm going to show you in this video. And I was driving and I was just like, I forgot that I had on makeup, number one. It just barely transferred onto my mask, number two. Number three, I had had the foundation on for a few hours and oil started to break through a little bit. But baby, when I tell you I looked amazing, I was like, okay, so these powder foundation wearers might be onto something. I'm a huge fan. It wears well. It looks great on textured skin. Some of the things I'd say when you're going to wear powder foundation, I see some really weird routines, you guys. I'm not here to be shady, but I see some weird routines. Number one, I recommend you color correct first. Number two, I do not recommend a mattifying primer. Even if your skin is oily, go for something pore filling. Go for something hydrating because no matter what, a powder on your skin can make your skin look dehydrated. I don't recommend a matte primer. I do recommend, if you have dry skin, making sure you're wearing the right moisturizer, especially over 30. Definitely make sure to use a good primer, a hydrating primer, and then definitely, of course, you're not going to set your powder foundation, especially with another powder. I do recommend getting like a nice dewy setting spray. Milani makes, this is the Make It Last setting spray. I recommend the dewy setting spray, but what I was going to say is I recommend you take a little bit of a cream bronzer. I have one from Milani. I have one from L'Oreal. I have one from Black Up Cosmetics. I have so many cream bronzers. You can even take like a little bit of a pigment and mix it into your primer. So you have a little bit of shimmer and then apply that to your face, or you can even apply a little bit of shimmer to your moisturizer. But this helps so you have that lit from within, you still have that hydrated look, and you have a little bit of glow coming from beneath that powder. And if you have dry skin, it is going to make a world of difference. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this tutorial and let me know if you have any questions below. Definitely make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're not, because I want you guys to be in the loop when I put out these epic makeup classes. All right, so go ahead and check out this video. Alright guys, so I told you that was really fast. I told you it was easy. It's great for every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye guys.